How to use Melbourne's tram network as a wheelchair user. Before you travel on the trams, look on the Yarra Trams website to see which stops are accessible. Most tram stops have these display screens, which tells you what tram is a low floor tram. Look for the wheelchair logo next to the tram arrival time to see. These trams are not wheelchair accessible because it has a high floor and it has stairs to get onto the tram. When you see a low floor tram, look for the wheelchair logo on the door to see where you can get on. When you get close to your tram stop, press the wheelchair logo stop button so the tram driver gives you more time to get off. When you arrive at your destination, wait for the doors to automatically open before driving off. Tap your marquee when you leave the free tram zone.